Meet Gary. Gary works hard and has a loving family. He needs to get to work Monday morning and back in time for adventures with his family. One day on his way to work, his check engine light turns on. Gary assumes the worst. Gary stops and searches for a solution. It says to screw on the gas cap nice and tight, then turn on and off the car a few times. In many cases, that's all it takes. Well, that didn't work for Gary, so it's time to call his technician. They advise him if the check engine light is flashing, he should tow it in, but if not, he should be safe to drive it to the shop. At the shop, Gary's technician plugs in a futuristic computer into the car and it shoots out a P0131 code. He says the code means the voltage from his oxygen sensor is low. Many mechanics stop there and replace a perfectly good oxygen sensor. The technician asks, if the mouse freezes on a computer, does that mean the mouse is bad? Gary says, no, it can be a bunch of things. Rarely is it the mouse. Exactly. You wouldn't just throw away the mouse, you'd find the real issue. That's the same with your car. Gary agrees. A couple weeks later, Gary's on the road on another adventure with his family. It turned out it was just a temperature gauge. He is glad his technician found the root of the problem and is sure his check engine light problem is long gone. If your check engine light is on, you have some questions, or want to schedule an appointment, give us a call or talk with one of our friendly auto repair experts today.